In this video, you'll learn how to enable and use dark mode on WordPress website front end. To do so, we're going to use an amazing plugin. To install it, all you need to do is log into your WordPress website, hover over Plugins, and click on Install Now. From the list of various plugins, search for Dracula Dark Mode. From the list, this is the plugin we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating here. Once you're done, click on Activate, and you're now redirected to the plugin's dashboard. To configure its settings, click on it under Dracula in the sidebar. You can see various general settings over here. You can enable or disable front-end dark mode here. You can also set the dark mode as the default mode. And once you're done, simply click on Save Changes. Now, the plugin offers various other settings as well to configure. You can go through these settings and make changes as per your need. Let's go further to check the plugin in action. You can see the plugin adds a custom dark mode toggle button. Clicking on it will activate the dark mode. You can also switch to the light mode like this. And this is how easy it is to enable and use dark mode on WordPress website front end. In case you're looking for more videos related to WordPress, then I'm linking a few of them in the description. You can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.